All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our treasure chest draft order for break number 2. So we'll check the time April 10th at 10:05 a.m. I'm going to go over to the break and type live. We have April 10th at 10:06 a.m. There we have 10:06 a.m. There is the list of our 12 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whatever order pops up on the final list is our draft order for treasure chest number 2. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ryan, Jerry, Bryn, and Brad. You are our top 4. And then everybody else following beyond that for our 12. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Again, we have April 10th, 10:06 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.